Mahima, you're watching Skypress TV, and I'm gonna do these really nice DIY hairstyles that you can try and flaunt around. So right, today we're gonna do a waterfall headband braid. Ooh, sounds really complicated, but no, it's not. So let's get into it straight away. And so all I'm gonna do is part my hair, and generally when you do a side parting, it's not that deep. It's like, you might just take a section from here and part it. But in this case, the side parting needs to be deeper. So what we do is check where your eyebrows are ending, right here, and where it is ending, that's exactly where you will part your hair. So mine is here. I'm gonna part my hair like this. Okay? So you just part your hair like that, comb it out, right. And now what you're going to do is, you're going to take a section of your hair near your ear, let's say this section. Okay, I don't want it to be too thick, but not too thin as well. So yeah, let's say that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to braid this into a regular braid with 3 sections. So I'm just going to make 3 simple sections. This. And right, I'm going to braid it. So I'm done braiding this section, and I'm just gonna fasten it with an elastic band. Right. So there we are. Now what we're gonna do is actually just take this section, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna start taking one strand from this section, I take this, and what I do is I pull open the first stitch of the braid, put my fingers out and pull this section inside the braid, like that. Okay, I'm gonna take the next section of my hair, and keep repeating this process with every stitch of my braid. So I'm just gonna open up the loop, poke my fingers out and pull it out. So you just keep going with this. You can see I'm just taking small sections of hair, pulling the stitch out, putting my finger in, and taking it inside. Now either you can choose to continue this with, throughout the thing. I quite like it towards one side. Alright, so once I'm done with this, all I'm gonna do is take the end of my plate that you can see this way, take a few pins and pin this right behind your ear so that the end doesn't show. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try and pull back all my hair to one side. So I'm kind of done with this hairstyle. Basically it's like this, that this hairstyle can be either done sideways or it can also be done like a headband. So in this case, how you see that I've taken the plate from this end and gone sideways, and I have the waterfall effect like this, right? So I have the headband waterfall effect like this. In another case, you can also take the headband and do the same thing, but it's just that the plate can go from here instead of there. You take it right around your forehead, and then the waterfall will come out like that. So I like it sideways, so I've done it this way. And this is just a regular chick hairstyle. Like you can do it with maybe a nice summery frock, maybe just place a little flower over here and you just like be awesome for a Hawaiian party. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you like this hairstyle and do try and let me know how it was. So see you, bye bye.